So here we are going to study about the theory of trajectory of free liquid jet, and free liquid jet is generally defined as a jet of water which is coming out from nozzle. So here, as you can see, the jet of water is coming out from nozzle at point A and it is making a parabolic trajectory path. Okay. So we need to derive the equation showing that the trajectory of the free liquid jet coming out from nozzle is parabolic. Here at point A, the velocity of the free jet of water is capital U in capital U. So the coordinates of this velocity capital U in x and y direction will be x is equals to u cos theta and y is equals to capital U sin theta. Okay, at point A. Now after some time interval t, the velocity of the particle will be again considered at point P, and in x and y direction the coordinates of this velocity will be small u and small v respectively. Okay, and as I said that this liquid particle is suppose taking time t to reach from point A to point P. So now the formula, from the formula, the horizontal distance travelled by liquid particle is x is equals to capital U cos theta into t, that is from the formula of speed is equals to distance upon time. Therefore distance is equals to speed into time. So the distance x is equals to u cos theta, okay, horizontal component, into time t. Now vertical distance travelled by liquid particle that is in y direction will be again from the formula, that is y is equals to u sin theta into t minus half gt square, that is distance d is equals to ut minus half gt square. Okay, so these are the basic formulas which we have already learned in our higher secondary studies. So y is equal, vertical distance travelled by liquid particle in x and y direction is given. Let it name as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now from equation number 1, making t as a subject, we will get x upon u cos theta. Okay, so making t as a subject, from the formula x is equals to u cos theta into t is equals to x upon u cos theta, and substituting this value of t in equation 2, that is the distance travelled by the particle in the y direction, we will get y is equals to u sin theta into x upon u cos theta minus half g, and again in place of t we will write x upon u cos theta whole square. So here capital U is cut out and the equation will become y is equals to x, this sin theta upon cos theta will become tan theta. So x tan theta minus g x square, 1 upon cos theta whole square will become sec square theta upon 2 and this u square. Okay, so the above equation, this equation represents the equation of parabola, it represents the equation of parabola, and thus the path traveled by free jet in atmosphere is parabolic. Okay, thank you.